Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody. Thank you for joining my talk today. Firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Asia Mumtahana. I'm from Galuh University English Education Program. Today, I would like to present my research proposal. My research will be entitled The Analysis of Speech Act Used in the Fast and Furious Movie Script. Now take a look to the introduction section. In this chapter, the writer will present background of the study, research question, purpose of the study, significance of the study, and scope of the study. Furthermore, it will also provide the definition of key term and the research report. Okay, the next material about background. Austin in Passold 2006 page 162 points out that when people use language, they are performing a kind of action that is called speech act. The use of the term speech act covers actions such as requesting, commanding, questioning, and informing. In studying pragmatics, we concentrate on how to utterance a speech act so that the listener can interpret the meaning that is conveyed by the speaker. According to Austin, utterance can be analyzed as speech act. There are two kinds of utterance. The first, formative utterance, and the second, causative utterance. A formative utterance is one that actually describes the act that it performs. It performs some acts and simultaneously describes that acts. For example, I promise to be there tomorrow. This is formative because in saying it, the speaker actually does what the utterance describes. He promises to the listeners to be there the next day. That is, the utterance both a description and promise, while a constative utterance is one which makes an assertion. It is often the utterance of a declarative sentence, but it is not a formative. For example, I think I was wrong. This is a causative utterance because it is only describes the mental state. The writer wants to discuss about analysis of speech act used in the Fast and Furious movie script and to find out whether the theory of pragmatics can be analyzed in this film script, such as in our daily utterances. The writer chooses the movie as the object of the research because the conversation of the main characters represents our daily conversation. The writer wants to analyze the conversation and classify its utterance to categories of speech act. The next slide about research questions. According to the background of the study aforesaid, the writer is going to address the following questions. The first, what kind of speech acts are used in the Fast and Furious movie script? And last, what are illocutionary process types in the Fast and Furious movie script based on Shirley category? And the next about purpose of the study. Generally, this study will be conducted to analyze the speech act of the movie script, The Fast and Furious. Especially, this is going to be aimed to seek to find out the types of speech act used in the Fast and Furious movie script, and last, to know the illocutionary forces or types that found the Fast and Furious movie script based on Shirley category. And the next slide, research method. Research design, data collection procedure, and data analysis. Research design, the writer used descriptive approach under qualitative study. Data collection procedure. The data will be obtained from the dialogue of the pet and of the previous movie. The writers will select some parts of the conversation in certain scenes. The data is collected from the dialogues of the film The Fate of the Furious. Firstly, the film was watched, then the transcript of the film is taken from the internet, and last, the dialogue is analyzed and classified into the types of speech act. The next slide, but example of analysis. This is example of analysis speech act of apologizes. A. Uptake. When the procedure is successfully. A. I wish you accept my apology. B. I do or I accept. B. Misfires. When occurring any kind of miscommunication from the hearer. A. I'm sorry. B. Excuse me. Mishearing. C. Abuse. When the hearer pretends or simulates by giving certain response. A. I'm sorry. B. Yeah. B. Yeah. Falling intonation with waving hand without looking to apologize. Okay, thank you for attention. If you have any question, please feel free to ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for your nice participant. I hope this presentation will be useful for you all. See you. Thank you very much. And the last, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.